In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change status in Outlook. Show yourself as busy in Outlook. When people try to schedule time with you in Outlook, they look at your calendar's free and busy information. The fastest way to appear as busy is to add a calendar event that blocks the time and set its status to busy. I'll walk you through it on the Outlook website. Start by opening your web browser and going to your preferred search page. In the search box, type Outlook and open the official Outlook site. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your calendar. Once Outlook loads, look for the calendar icon in the left navigation bar and click it. This switches you from Mail to Calendar. In the Calendar view, choose the specific date you want to block off. Click directly on that date to begin creating a new entry, then select New Event. If you want to be unavailable the entire day, turn on the All Day toggle. If you only need part of the day, leave that toggle off and adjust the start and end times to match the window you want to protect. Next, give the event a clear title, like Focus Time or Heads Down Work, so it's obvious what that block is for. To control how your availability shows up to others, open More options to expand the full event details. At the top of the event window, you'll see a drop-down for Show As. Click that menu and choose Busy. This setting tells Outlook to mark that time as busy in scheduling tools. If you ever need to signal that you're completely away, the same menu includes Out of Office, but for now, we'll stick with Busy. Before you finish, scan the times and date to make sure everything is accurate. You can also add a description for context, but that's optional. When you're ready, click Save. You should now see the event on your calendar, visually blocking the period you selected. Anyone who checks your availability with the scheduling assistant will see you as busy during that time. For recurring focus blocks, you can repeat this process on other dates to build a consistent schedule. And remember, a clear title and accurate time range make it easier for teammates to plan around your availability. That's it. You've successfully changed your status in Outlook by creating a busy event on your calendar.